Here we are, March 11th, 2011. Snowing like a dog. Oh, look at that. We got about probably 8 inches of snow there. This is gonna last probably 6-7 hours. Wicked. Snow going on here. Someone just went right off in the ditch there. Look at that. Woo. This is a little bit sloppy in here. I'm getting turfed around a bit. Oh, maybe I'll be next. I got this far, and this is as far as I got. And look at that. I am stuck right up to the doors right here. It's right up to the doors. You see outside it's snowing like crazy. I just called my neighbor. He's bringing his Massey down here. He's going to yank me out, probably blow the road. You can see this up there. It's snowing like crazy. Look at that. Snow's probably damn 2 feet deep across there, eh? Son of a gun. Anyway, I was the guy that went in the ditch today. Not quite, but I got on the road. Here comes a big tractor. This is a big tractor too. He's going to come right down there, right through that, eh? You can see that tractor's coming down there. He's wobbling around there a fair bit. Look at that. He's wobbling around a fair bit there too, eh? Oh yeah, look at that. He's got the blower. Look at that tractor. See? That snow's deep there, eh? He's got big Massey, 5230. See, he's gonna get that blower spinning up there now, and he'll bore a path up there for me, right down there. The wipers on so you guys can see. Better turn your chute the other way there, big boy. Here he comes. Okay, I'm back in the car. Let's see. I hooked her on. Hope I hooked her on the right spot there. He's spinning the tires. Power divider. Pick up your blower there, buddy. There, hopefully it doesn't rip my bumper off. Holy Christ, this is wicked. I got her turned right all the way to the... So I got rolling here. I don't know if I can keep going or not. Looks like he's blowing a bit of path down here. But I'm getting sucked right into this stuff again here. Wow, this is wicked. This is just brutal, man. I don't know how the heck you're supposed to get down this free. Oh man, I think I might be done here. The tractor got stuck here. Oh. I just got her hammered. Got her to the pin. Uh-oh. That's it. That's it, man. Come on back, Walt. I'm stuck. Okay, reverse. Tractor's coming back to get me. Got stuck again. Bloody deep here, man. We're on the move again. Get the tractor to pull me all the way down the road here. I'm spinning my wheels and nothing's happening. We're not catching him, that's for damn sure. Want to see how deep the snow is here. Right up the door. We got her. We're booting her down here. I think my track control's kicking on there. Trying to keep her rolling there. I think I can make it. And we're gonna make it in my driveway. And we're in the driveway. And he ought to come home and blew my driveway out, so sweet, man, sweet. I think that's as far as I can go, right to there. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.